Let me tell you something honestly. Most people don't fail at English because they don't know words. They fail because they never trained under pressure. And when I say pressure, I don't mean stress. I mean the pressure to think fast, speak out loud, and continue even when your mind goes blank. In this video, I will show you how to create that pressure alone. No partner, no teacher, no class. By the end of this video, you will know exactly how to train confidence, speed, and fluency even when nobody is around you. If you are someone who understands English but freezes while speaking, this video is for you. If you keep thinking too much before speaking, this video is for you. If you say, I know English but I can't speak, this video is for you. Let's clear one big misunderstanding first. People think confidence comes first, then speaking comes later. That is completely wrong. Speaking comes first, confidence comes later. Confidence is not a feeling, it is a result of repeated action. So now let me show you 4 simple ways to create speaking pressure by yourself. First method, recording yourself. This is one of the most powerful and uncomfortable methods. And that discomfort is exactly why it works. When you record your voice, your brain takes it seriously. You focus more. You try to speak clearly. You notice your pauses. Start with just 1 minute. Open your phone recorder, choose any topic, and speak without stopping. Do not delete the recording. Do not judge yourself. Just listen once. This builds awareness. Awareness builds control. Control builds confidence. Second method, time-based speaking. Most people stop speaking when they feel stuck. This method removes that option. Set a timer, 2 minutes, no pause button. Your rule is simple. You must keep speaking until the timer ends. If you don't know what to say that you don't know what to say. If you repeat words, it's fine. Silence is not allowed. This trains speed. Your brain learns to respond faster instead of translating. Third method, the 2-minute talk method. This is a daily fluency builder. Pick one simple topic. Your day, your plans, your opinion. Speak for 2 minutes continuously. No grammar checking, no stopping, no correcting in the middle. This method trains flow. Fluency is not about perfect sentences. Fluency is about moving forward. Fourth method, confidence sentences. Confidence is also trained, not born. Every day, say 3 sentences out loud. I am improving my English daily. I don't need perfection to speak. I am allowed to make mistakes. This may feel silly at first, but your brain listens to repetition. Your inner voice becomes your outer confidence. Now listen carefully because this is important. Pressure is not your enemy. Avoiding pressure is. When you avoid speaking, fear grows. When you face speaking, fear shrinks. That is how confidence is built. Now let me tell you exactly what to do when this video ends. Do not save this and forget it. When this video ends, 1. Record 1 minute of your voice. 2. Do 1 2-minute talk. 3. Say 3 confident sentences out loud. That's it. No overthinking, no preparation, just action. In the next video, I will show you how to stop pausing and thinking too much while speaking. Very practical, very beginner-friendly. If this video helped you, stay with this series. This is not motivation content. This is fluency training. Pause this video now and start your first recording.